Thank you, Oaken Cave. And SNR129, thank you for subbing. Alright, so here we go. Speed test. Wait, warm up your... Is this the test? Or is this a warm up? Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god. Type it.
I started watching your videos during my lunch breaks at work and love them so much, and I wish you the best of luck on your stream. Also become a pro on Nitro Type with your speed typing.
This better not be the warm up. I don't want to do this again. Yeah. I think this is the actual test, right? Oh. Well, there you go. 90. Or 87, I don't know.
Hey Gargi, would you please say Lena I love you so much, pronounced Lena it would make me...
Wait, I missed
cry.
The donation. So I got 87, I guess. This is adjusted. 87 words per minute. What did that person say? George easily has 80 plus words per minute. I have 87. Apparently. I could probably get better as well. I don't know though. I just started watching your videos during my lunch breaks at work and love them so much and wish you the best of luck on your stream. Thank you. Also become a pro on Nitro Type with your speed typing. I don't know what Nitro Type is, but thank you. And Jaco and Pasta, thank you for subbing. What's Nitro Type? Hey Gogi, could you please say Lena, I love you so much, pronounced Lena. It would make me cry. Well, Lena, I love you. Thank you. What is Nitro Type? Do I need to Google this? Nitro Type. Competitive typing game. Race as a guess. Okay, sound off. Oh. Oh my god. I don't like this one as much. It's hard just to see where the cursor is. It's hard to like know what I'm doing. Pick your free car. Okay. What is happening? That's the wrong website. Wait, when it goes green, okay. Am I winning? Did I win? I won. Wait, did I? 109 words per minute? Okay. Alright, I won apparently. Goggy fingers go burr. Yeah, I kind of... Should I erase them again? I kind of like winning. You're a king, thank you. And just in time for Orange, thank you for subbing. Oh, I need to go again. No, Did I lose? Did I come last that time? Wait, which one was I? Is this me? I think I came last. Okay, I got some real tryhards this time. I still got 95 words per minute and I came last. Okay, I'm done. I'm done playing this. This will be game.